Jeff Arizona Homestead here. I got another video about this thing in my ear. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Jeff Arizona Homestead, and I got this thing in my ear. There's actually two of them right now. I just have the one, and these are some earbuds that are actually really awesome. They're inexpensive and they're comfortable, and all I had to do was pull it out, the charging station, put it in my ear, and it automatically connected to my phone. I don't even have to have the other one in. But if I did, I could talk to you in stereo. But pretty cool. So let's just take a look at these. By the way, these are awesome. You're going to have to want to get one. I'll put a link down below on how you can get one. But check it out, huh? What do you think? It's like jewelry. And they have come in different colors. Take a look. So here's what we got. So let's take a look at what it is. Tozo wireless earpieces. These are T10s. And of course, in your box, you're going to get all kinds of earpieces in there. Looks like there's a lanyard right there for the case. Charging information there. Charging cable there. The USB-C and the USB. So the lanyard's kind of nice for the case. And then a whole bunch of earpieces. Now what obviously came with it too is a user's manual. So all kinds of good information and a quick guide. So the quick guide, I won't go over all of it obviously. It even tells you how to wear it. This here is important. Tells you on how to adjust the volume and turn it on, off, pause, etc. How to answer the phone, how to hang up. Even about charging and resetting it. So it's a good quick guide. And then on the manual, you'll just get more detailed information, you know, as far as charging it and wearing it and stuff. So you just get a little bit more detailed information. It shows you everything that's in the box. A little bit more detailed on the buttons. It says don't wear it underwater. Pair it with your phone, etc. Apple, Google Store. So all kinds of good information on the user manual. I like to call these bathroom literature. It's getting a little windy here, isn't it? The quick guide though was very useful. So I got the black one. There's other colors. Here's some of the information that's on the bottom of the case. Solid case, hard plastic. That's where your lanyard will go to. And when you open it up, pretty simplistic. There are, can't really see it because I don't know if you see the blue lighting there. See how it just turned off? See how it comes on? So that tells you if it's charged or not. When you charge it, you obviously leave it closed. What I like about it is when you pull these out, they're magnetic, so all you gotta do is just bring it down to the area and it just pulls it right in place. So you're not even placing them in, you're just putting them in the general vicinity and it pulls it right in. So I've been wearing these for phone and also for music from an MP3 player. And basically my MP3 player is just another old phone that I loaded with music. And so far the volume on these are perfect. You know, playing around with the balance between the left, right, and all that. These are really super nice, and they're inexpensive. So you're not going to pay 150, even $100 for these. These are actually pretty inexpensive. So, and there's your charging on that end. But yeah, they fit and they look good in the ear. Or I'll put a link down in the description where you can pick one of these up. Right, here you go. There's the different colors that you can get. Tozo T10. They have different ones, so you can even just, you know, I'll put a link to their website and stuff like that so you can learn more about them. But I like these. Thank you, Tozo, for sending them to me. And I've been wearing them for quite some time. In fact, there's a website right there, tozostore.com. So thank you. I've been wearing these. These are really comfortable. They don't fall out of the ear. They don't. Yeah, they're perfect, actually. There is absolutely not a single negative thing I can say about these, other than, you know what, I take it back. There is one negative thing I got to say about these. Why the heck didn't I get them sooner? You're going to want this. Talk to you guys later. See you. Bye. Have fun.